salatu, praise to the Almighty Allah, the Creator, the Sustainer. His blessings and peace be to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As we know that the best of all words is the word of Allah, the message that He sent by His book, the Holy Quran. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We thank Allah that He made us the last of the prophetic generations, and He gave us the best of the books that has zero contradictions, the book that will last to the day of judgment. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So we are going to see some of the lessons from Surah Al-Baqarah, the second verse in the Quran. Inshallah, let us see what is Surah Al-Baqarah all about. Surah Al-Baqarah was named Surah Al-Baqarah, and Al-Baqarah means the cow. When we put them in total, Al-Baqar or Al-Abqar, cattle. When we are talking about cattle, or we are talking about a cow, cows are not well known in the Arabian Peninsula because it is hot and cows need the favorable environment or the favorable climate. But that was a story narrated to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the tales of the Jews of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. What is the story? There was a man in the Jews during the era of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. He was a rich man, and he was a believer, a pious one. He had a lot of wealth, and he did not have any son or daughter. But the siblings were the sons of his brother. Now this man was living, and those boys, those youths, they are saying that the man is not dying. So one of them, what he did is to kill the man and took him away from that village to the neighboring village at its end in order to make the evidence disappear. And they put all the suspicion to the other people of the second village. So conflicts began between the two villages. Who killed our beloved man? Who killed? Everybody is saying no, we are not responsible. So they had to come to their Prophet Musa alayhi salam in order for Prophet Musa to make the judgment. Prophet Musa told them, as Allah told us in the Holy Quran, وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ يَا قَوْمِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُكُمْ أَن تَذْبَحُوا بَقَرَةً. My people, by your judgment you want, Allah is ordering you to slaughter a cow. Those people did not welcome the answer of Musa because of their squeezed thinking and because of their stoned hearts that don't believe quickly. The story was that Allah told them by Nabiullah Musa alayhi salam, get a cow, which type of a cow, which color, up to when Allah made everything difficult for them. To cut the story short, Allah gave them possibility to get that cow. And by slaughtering the cow, they got some parts of the cow, that the parts of the cow to the dead body, and the dead body was raised back to life. And said the deceased that man is the one who killed me. Which man? The son of his brother. So this verse from there, coming with that story, the surah, it was named Surah Al-Baqarah. So that is the introduction. Surah Al-Baqarah has a lot of orders, a lot of directions by Allah. Among them, preparing the Islamic Ummah to be one, constructing the earth and everything. And it also tells us how man was created. Inshallah, we shall add on that in our coming series.
Allah الله الله الله